I got cut short on the last one, so now what we're going to do is we're going to test it. And as you can see up there, as I pull forward, already run into my first obstacle. Just using this to hold it in place, but now, as you can see, the plow turns that way, and get caught right there. Not sure what's catching it. Let's pull it like this way. Ah, that's what it is. Bungee cord I used to hold my battery has decided to get in the way of this. Let me put you down for a second here and move this. There, I relocated the bungee cords. Now we got we're catching there too. On the inside of that, you can see we're catching, not by much, but let's see how far this actually has gone. Got a ways to go, so we're gonna have to potentially trim or bend this piece out to the point where I can have enough of an angle. I still got plenty of room on my piece here, but I am catching right there on the metal, so what I have to do is bend that out. So let's see, I'm gonna have to get something to pry that out on, so let's see what I can do here with this piece of angle iron. There we go, so now we do get full movement of it. Let's see if we can get the move from over here. Oh.